How can I encourage my baby to start rolling over?
Hey there, new parents. Rolling over is one of the first major milestones in your baby's physical development. But how can you encourage your little one to start this exciting journey? In this video, we'll explore some tips and techniques that can help. Remember, every baby is unique, so what works for one might not work for another. Let's dive in.
Why is rolling over important?
Rolling over is not just a cute party trick. It's a crucial developmental step towards more advanced motor skills like crawling and sitting up. It strengthens your baby's neck, arms, and trunk muscles. Additionally, it's a sign that your baby is becoming more aware of their surroundings and is eager to explore the world from a different perspective.
When do babies typically start rolling over?
Most babies begin to try rolling over at around 3 to 6 months. Initially, they might roll from their tummy to their back because the front-to-back movement is generally easier. Later, they'll learn to roll from their back to their tummy. However, always remember that each baby is different, and there's a wide range of what's considered normal.
How can I encourage my baby?
1. Tummy time. Start with tummy time every day. This helps to strengthen their neck and shoulder muscles. Place toys just out of reach during tummy time to encourage them to stretch and potentially roll. 2. Use toys. Hold toys to the side of your baby to get their attention. This can encourage them to turn their head and body towards it. 3. Celebrate small achievements. Even if your baby just leans to one side, praise them. Positive reinforcement can motivate them to keep trying. 4. Guide them. Gently roll your baby over, helping them understand the motion. But make sure you don't make this a habit. They need to do it on their own. 5. Stay safe. Always supervise your baby during tummy time and practice on a soft surface like a mat or carpet.
What if my baby doesn't roll over?
Don't panic. Some babies might take their time, and that's okay. Always consult with your pediatrician about any developmental concerns. They can provide guidance tailored to your baby's specific needs. Remember, every child is unique, and they all have their own timeline. Encouraging your baby to roll over is a mix of patience, guidance, and celebration of small victories. Keep the environment fun and engaging. Before you know it, your little one will be rolling all over the place. We hope these tips help, and remember to enjoy every moment of your baby's growth journey.